Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: updated app, active internet, and your account credentials. Open QNet and tap Sign In. If you lack an account, choose Create Account and follow prompts. Enter email and password, then complete 2FA when prompted to secure access. Once done, make sure notifications and location permissions are granted so features work correctly. These first steps get you into the app and prepare the system to sync your data, which speeds every following action. You'll now move through QNet's main workflow: home for summaries, search to find items or services, wallet for payments, and profile for settings. Tap Search, apply filters, and use sort options to narrow results. You'll save time by favoriting items you expect to reuse. When making a transaction, link a card or bank account and complete verification. QNet may do a small test charge you then confirm. As you use these features, the app learns preferences, so repeat actions become faster and more accurate. You finish by verifying the outcome. Check your history for receipts or confirmations, and ensure any scheduled tasks are active. For convenience, enable biometric login on personal devices, log out on shared hardware. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache, restart, and attempt the action again. This fixes most sync issues. If the problem persists, capture screenshots of errors and contact QNet support with details so they can trace logs and resolve account-specific problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.